my dear, now so they always they be on top. The red. The show we carry 4 drivers and 4 steering. Now so they always they be. And as I dey yarn so, and I don't know who I be, but I go still call my name for the ministry to progress. My name now they call Lucky Shy, the Pt.1 of the red. And I get my men there, yeah. So many no be like say I want talk alone. I go just throw. Today on I want just give them they use their own mouth, call their own name, introduce themselves. Cause for the red, now they do am. So, bros.
My name is MC Shaggy, Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Don't do.
Yeah, Chakara,
I be avoid with that. That instrument,
Make it don't pass like that.
Yeah. I never introduce finish. Make it there. Let's go.
Then the best way we go jump somebody to go have a third man.
You don't even need to jump anybody because everybody here is a flavus. The guy go get visitor. You don't say this one no be visitor. This one be visitor at all. This one and the same. But when I make for no bring quarry na Shakara they talk. So peace ambassador, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, comedy Taliban. And every other title to be continued.
No. Shakara not agree.
Okay. This last person, he no be our regular person, so we go just help him out. You know say the fourth man.
Yes, you know when moto, lucky, this is it. Moto where 4 people they drive. You know, say 4 people sit down for chair, 1 stand up. You know, say let me get weight. Yes, now. I tell them stand up. The motor go like this. Motor go like this. Because at least more find small balance. We don't say the motor no sit on ground well, but more fine.
There is somebody occupy this place.
Shakara, your grey head is inside your body. You know.
So therefore, reason because why Lucky on our friendship don't strong too much for you to introduce her.
Okay. So
make her introduce her. And our friendship can't be like people where they caught because the 2 of them best each other for wedding.
Yes.
This one best this one. This one best this one.
No, this one don't best me now. Me best Sam.
Okay.
Another person best me.
Another person come best you. But for the wedding, it be like saying I be your best man because it was very active, even more than the best man. So therefore, this is.
Yeah.
See, I won't say CMC before.
Now those are people they call her CMC.
Yeah. CM, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, friend to the house, brother to Lucky.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
CM, can you tell us the meaning of CM?
Yes, most people, they really mistake CM because they don't really understand the meaning of CM. CM basically has so many meanings. If you call them comic master, if you call them comic minister, just like ministers. But basically, CM is choir master, the only comedian we know they sing.
You can't go be choir master again.
He use the man confess. Him the only choir master you know they sing. They give you chance go sing. That show you that 1 chance. All right, as we do am on the red. Now the show we carry 2 segments as usual. The first one I laugh out loud. Then after that we go come back, come enter Tori Don War. We are go take tutorial now with the kind things where they happen, but we do it in a laughing way. The one way there for Grana and I still Shakara the Tron too. But before then we want to talk on one issue. Elenu, Shakara. They say they close border for Vietnam. So
Hey, Jesus!
No. Hey. You know, say when your transport no complete for plane, they no get hard to take do attachment. But if your transport no complete for bus, somebody go still add some more join. Therefore, Elenu matter. We go treat them next time we will come. We'll leave it no matter because if we want to talk a little matter, we don't come here.
Okay, now true talk is also. So therefore, before you go that side, more we let our people really understand that way. Say henceforth, the day when I not see one of us, the 4 drivers, and if you see one person go come as guest, and a comedian in the beat too, so everybody must make the
understand them. Anybody will see when they take a like that.
They like it. I beg give her a shake for me. Give her a shake.
I sight your grey hair from leg.
I think say as in they talk now, say normally if they don't see any one of una, na CM na go dey see. But they don't break my heart.
CM pass one made the employee quickly.
CM, I won't give you juice. You know, say today that be your first day where you come. This hour. You know, say person will call they give a cola. So this now the cola I won't give you. Now this juice. I give you the gist.
The gist, okay.
Because you get some men we go down old They behave like small children. Some, whether now Google and influence them, I don't know. Okay. Simple nursery rhyme. Cause see how this man turn out. I bet more can help me watch out.
Correct.
No. My name is Promise Amana. I was born in the year 1800. At the age of 20, I started schooling. At the age of 15, I passed out my standard 6. And at the age of 25, I went to London University, where I was able to study the meaning of ABCD to Z. If you go around Nigeria today, you will see many people who know ABCD to Z, but they don't know their meaning. I beg for someone to call out the letter for me in alphabetical order. A good conscience is a good pillow, even in danger. B, better sleep without supper than to eat dinner in center of death. C, quote unquote, according to side. D, distribution of ideology means apology. E, evil communication, corrupt good manner of no maintenance. F, flunking for instability and integrity means grammaticality. G, graduality, a woman becomes iglology. H, Heavenly Father bless us. I, it is impossible and impossibility for an empty bag to stand erect. J, jolly, a good follower of a person is called justification. K, kerosene is the power of a dative light. L, life is sure and what is seen. M, my pity question is my comfortable way. N, now advice on young men that nothing comes from nothing. O, orthographic person runs over stupidity. P, now advice on young, now advice on young men that nothing comes from nothing. P, pass your clothes in order to save money. Q, qualification and selfishness, corrupt good manner. Arrow, relentless without happiness is just like a palatable soup without salt. S, self-recommendation is nothing but illegalism or gigantism. C, faithful mind, sinful. Q, qualification and selfishness, corrupt good manner. No. Okay, U, under teacher, scholar well treated. V, voice of man make all the voice of God. W, wagon cannot move without the experiment of an engine. X, X-man without happiness is just like a food with a soup without salt. Why? Young man must learn to obey. Z, Zegoni was the father of philosophy. Clap for me.
I stand to tell now today, say that man is Shakara Papa. Now your Papa this thing you bring also. But if no, you should be proud.
You should be uncle. That one is called. That one you consider.
I think I'm going to call my lawyer.
Call your lawyer.
Because this is insult upon injury.
Like Z is the what Z? Philosopher of one thing. When you all could notice that I only want to
see, you know where, you know, see that setting, you go see somebody stay for your own table. That place be like ministry. All these our ministries, as the one appointed minister, so make them look into all those, if you go Lagos State now, the ministry of waiting, if you go there, you go see some, now sleep, they sleep.
Yes.
Yeah,
so that one, that person is supposed to work. Maybe for state government.
Not be working this zone.
Now working the zone.
Waiting, I even want to talk, we say, that man as a day like that, if he stand-up comedian, he go make him.
But it's here for your office now.
Now for your office. This kind of between office and stage.
Shakara, you know, say that this kind of night they won't call you for events. They'll come say, don't worry.
We have somebody, we don't know that old man.
I don't feel drunk.
Wait, Shakara, what did the man do or no fit do? Try me, I go do.
No.
Yes, A to Z. You say you call a minister.
What do you want to do for A to Z?
Try me, I go do.
A.
Apostolic Church.
B.
Baptist Church.
C.
Christ Embassy.
D.
Deeper Life.
E.
Elevation Church.
F.
Foursquare Gospel Ministry.
G.
Grace Assembly.
G na Grace.
G. Grace Assembly. H.
H.
Man at the empire in case you don't see where. House on the Rock.
I.
Illumination Assembly.
J.
Jehovah's Witness.
K.
KICC, King's International Christian Center.
L.
Liberation Assembly.
M.
Mountain of Fire.
N.
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 Okay, New Creation Assembly.
O.
Olumba.
P.
Pray until something happen Christian Church. Preach CC.
That one not the lucky side.
Pray until something happen church.
That na crusade title.
Pray until
Kion.
After P na waiting.
Kiona.
Question of the Spirit Christian Center.
Arrow.
Redeemed Christian Church of God.
Now popular.
Yeah, popular now.
Snifola B.
Oh yeah.
Synagogue. What are they calling for that now?
Continue.
C. Trinity House. U. United we stand, divided we fall Christian Church. Victory Life Assembly. They don't even know. W. Winners Chapel.
X.
X-Ray Christian Church.
Y.
Yahweh Anointed Ministry.
Z.
Zoe Ministry. ABC to Z, and I don't even know.
You are a mufula. I won't confuse you whether you. I mean, I purposely won't confuse you. I know they call it.
Well, I pick it or say A for Apple, B for Bapu, C for Kapu.
But if you check out naturally, how many people recite national anthem normally as they recite ABC like that?
Now, so can I go ask that one?
We are recite state and capital.
All right, before I go recite state and capital, more can they follow us for Twitter at @ITheRed and for Facebook, facebook.com/ITheRed. And if you use email, send us for at @ITheRed, Wazobia TV.tv. That is ITheRed at wazobiatv.tv. And many of all the things when they send us, we they see them, we they jot them down, and as time goes on, we they relate them with on now.
Yes.
And another thing they go one let on know, we don't they give tickets out. The thing be say many people they respond are people from outside Lagos. So if you dey outside Lagos, the tickets never they go outside Lagos. So tell any of your person where they Lagos. Give us the number in contact to go call them because the ticket now to go watch 5D cinema.
If they stay outside Lagos, no vex. You feel rent house for Lagos to get the tickets. Then when you watch the film finish, then you go back.
No, nothing.
To rent a movie.
You don't need to rent
house.
Go buy your flight ticket. Fly come, collect the ticket, watch the film, and fly back. It's all enjoyment.
Thank you very much. Bad advice. Spend more for how much? All right, still on ITheRed now we do so. We go move sharply, go this break. When we come back, we go enter Tori as war. We there here, don't leave your place.
Tori, he have come out.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.